Hello friends and engineers, join me and let me walk you through a bus or train ticketing system used in the Netherlands that I'm about to simulate here in Nigeria. Alright, so here is an RFID bus ticketing system where users can make their bus payments or pay their bus fare via a registered RFID card or registered RFID tag. So this is the RFID tag and this is the RFID card, but we don't know if any of these are registered or not. So let's try to make our bus payment and see if it will work. Invalid card gets a valid card, and then let's see this. Oh, hi user, payment okay. Another deduction. Let me try to extend my fare. Okay, I still want to move somewhere else, and let's see if this can also pay insufficient fund. That's because I programmed the system to the bus fare here is 250 naira. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.